Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is lesson 23 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to travel. Similar to the previous video, we have removed the hard words and we will focus on a few sentences related to the easy and medium level words we learn. Let's start off with the vocabulary. Airport. L'aéroport. Car. La voiture. Train. Le train. Bus. Le bus. Plane. L'avion. Ticket. Le billet. Luggage. Les bagages. Passport. Le passeport. Map. La carte. Hotel. L'hôtel. Taxi. Le taxi. Street. La rue. City. La ville. Country. Le pays. Travel. Le voyage. That is the easy set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Travel agency. L'agence de voyage. Suitcase. La valise. Backpack. Le sac à dos. Customs. La douane. Departure. Le départ. Arrival. L'arrivée. Journey. Le trajet. Accommodation. L'hébergement. Sightseeing. Le tourisme. Tourist. Le touriste. Guide. Le guide. Itinerary. L'itinéraire. Vacation. Les vacances. Reservation. La réservation. That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences. Je vais à l'aéroport pour prendre l'avion. I am going to the airport to take the plane. Je vais à l'aéroport pour prendre l'avion. I am going to the airport to take the plane. Le train part à 8 heures du matin. The train leaves at 8 in the morning. Le train part à 8 heures du matin. The train leaves at 8 in the morning. N'oublie pas tes bagages à l'hôtel. Don't forget your luggage at the hotel. N'oublie pas tes bagages à l'hôtel. Don't forget your luggage at the hotel. Où est mon passeport? Where is my passport? Où est mon passeport? Where is my passport? Peux-tu me montrer la carte? Can you show me the map? Peux-tu me montrer la carte? Can you show me the map? J'adore le voyage en train. I love traveling by train. J'adore le voyage en train. I love traveling by train. Nous avons réservé nos vacances à l'agence de voyage. We booked our vacation at the travel agency. Nous avons réservé nos vacances à l'agence de voyage. We booked our vacation at the travel agency. Nous devons passer par la douane avant d'entrer dans le pays. We have to go through customs before entering the country. Nous devons passer par la douane avant d'entrer dans le pays. We have to go through customs before entering the country. L'itinéraire de notre voyage est très détaillé. The itinerary of our trip is very detailed. L'itinéraire de notre voyage est très détaillé. The itinerary of our trip is very detailed. Je pars en vacances la semaine prochaine. I am going on vacation next week. Je pars en vacances la semaine prochaine. I am going on vacation next week. This brings us to the end of the video. Well done on finishing the lesson. Excellent work. See you in the next video.